Amazing grace, thank you for the rain. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. We're going so fast early in the morning on a ride to, where are we going?
Walmart calls.
To stores. One of them is Walmart. But yeah, we're going there because we need stuff. And
Can't you keep it in between the lines here, dude?
oh my god. Trying to vlog here.
Sorry.
That's okay. But yeah, we're heading down to Walmart now to get some stuff and a movie and stuff. But say hi, Lenny.
Hi.
And then we're going right now, and it's 8:46. It's almost 9 o'clock. I only had like an hour and a half of sleep. Not even an hour and a half, like 2 hours of sleep. I'm super tired, and today we're going swimming, and I'm super excited for that because I haven't been swimming at all this summer. But I'm hoping that the sun pops out sometime soon because I need a tan.
You can't drive.
We got our crap! Yeah, hey! But we're going hiking right now, and it's gonna be so much fun. You gotta look at this. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna take you on an adventure. Let's go!
On the sunset, horses silhouette, all is calm tonight. New horizon, keep your eyes on those stars.
You can't hide from us forever. Tushy, Tushy, wake up, wake up. Look at her, she's all smiling. Hi, so we're at Crazy Pins right now, and there's Davis. Say hi. No? And then Jessica, and then I can't remember this chick's name.
It's Ashley.
I know. But we're at Crazy Pins right now. I'm gonna go crazy over there just because I love the arcade area. I'm so excited. And Jessica's gonna sing a song along with, I forgot your name? But along with Ashley. Along with Ashley, so we should be having some fun.
Written down in your envelope.
Take me on a one-way flight.
Hey, so I'm in the arcade section right now and I'm super excited and I don't know what to do and I don't know where to buy the crap at and I don't see anybody anywhere. But I'm super excited. Maybe I should play that. I don't know. But I'm gonna find out what to do. Yeah, I'm playing Deal or No Deal. It's so awesome. I hope I win. Let's watch me play. Look at that. What? No. Look at that. That's kind of unfair. I'm gonna play Guitar Hero Arcade. I'm so excited. Let's get to rocking. Watch me beat Beast at Tokyo Drift or whatever this is. I'm so excited. Yeah, these two are racing. That game is super beast.